Hey guys, I'm blonde.
I have to climb up this ladder.
Oh my god! Hey guys, it's Cassie.
It's Richie.
It's 9 a.m. We're about to go to a shoot. It's gonna be fun.
Coffee.
We need coffee. Well, I had coffee, but yeah, I need more coffee. And we have Megan over here. Hello. We're showing her around. She's from Ontario.
The mood board.
The mood board. Gonna have the mood.
Yeah.
How is she doing that? That's so weird. Oh, I think that's the back leg. So reverse your leg. So this leg forward. Yeah. We're in LA. Where's Richie? She's in a robe.
Am I there? Oh, okay.
What are we doing here? We don't know.
Just chilling.
We're just chilling. We're filming a video, like a thrifting video, I think. And then we have an event tonight.
Yeah.
Living it. Whoa! Oh my gosh!
Cassie!
I totally thought I had more room, but I didn't.
That?
Oh my gosh, that was so embarrassing. So we're trying to figure out how to film this, where to set up, because this couch is kind of loud. Richie's not wearing any pants. Put on your pants. Chair, table, pull it out, and then the camera on top of the table, but we don't have a mic. I just hope it doesn't sound like too muffly. Stumptown coffee. I like it. You like it?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
I feel like I need to add creamer though.
Okay, so this is the setup. Got a book, got a glass vase, got another book. Camera's gonna go over here. I put the curtain to the side with a chair. What is Richie doing? All right, let's see it. Wow, you know what? It fits, everything looks good. Except for the shoes. Yeah, I just cut them. Someone's hungry.
So hungry.
It's so small.
I know, it's hiding.
Should have been recycled.
She just knocked over the presentation.
Yeah, we're just gonna put it back.
Totally something I would do. So what are we doing?
So that event wasn't really an event.
It really wasn't. It was an event for everybody.
Pleasant, but not what we expected. So we're here at the Griffith Observatory. Really a late start. It's 3 o'clock and
Oh my gosh.
I know, right? But we've never been here before. Yeah, it's just like super overcast. We wanted it to be a little bit more sunny for the lookbook, but whatever. We'll make it work. Color grade, color correction.
Come on, let's go. I'm on a roll. I only need $1 in my pocket.
Guys, what's up? So we are here at the Griffith.
I think we went over that already.
Oh, we did.
Yeah.
So what?
So the update is that it's sunny now.
Oh yeah, God gave us the sun. It was really like cloudy
Yeah,
and
we were
overcast. And you're like, we can't film. Like there's
We
just
love
no...
direct sunlight for some reason.
But here it is, and it's kind of hot. So this is the bag that has all our stuff in it. Ipsy.
Our outfits. Look, I kind of want to go there, but I'm like a little
Where?
lazy.
Oh my gosh, I'm not wearing the right shoes.
Yeah.
I almost fell earlier. Like I slipped a little bit.
I think we're gonna go find food. It's probably gonna be
They actually
overpriced. We were really scared because we started to lose signal and we're like, how are we gonna call an Uber? But then apparently they have Wi-Fi, so we're good. So just as we, oh, what is that?
Welch's PB&J.
Just as we suspected, it is overpriced.
It's like airport food.
This wrap was $8. Ooh, vegan
Ooh, that
chicken.
looks good. Wow.
Which one do you want?
Doesn't matter.
Big one. How's your first vegan chicken? Kind of tastes like chicken. I was looking at these nameplates and I was complaining because they didn't have my name, but then I realized no one ever, yeah, no one ever makes Richie.
So, I have to climb up this ladder. I'm trying to vlog here. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Okay, now we're in downtown LA. We wanted to see the Jesus Saved sign and take photos. I'm out of breath.
There it is.
There it is.
Hello.
We did it. Now we're gonna film. It's hot. What happened, Rich?
So we got kicked out. This is such a creepy elevator.
We got kicked out, but we got some pictures, which was okay. Okay, so now we're with Yumi.
Yeah.
Where are we going? We're going to... Wow, it is so dark.
Oh, you
I have a roof you can film on.
Oh my god.
You guys need a roof. Blessings.
You're a blessing in disguise.
You want a roof? Yeah, we want a roof.
Disguise, but you're a blessing.
On the moon until the moon goes round and round and round in circles like it.
I don't mind sleeping on this.
Really?
Oh. It's so good.
This is the... What is this? This is the sleeping Dimmock quarters. Okay, we found another roof. Thanks to Yumi. And it has grass.
Fake grass.
Fake grass.
Because I'm on a first name basis with danger.
I just took one by accident.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, number 18.
We're in Calpac right now. I got the pink one. Super cute. Packing cubes. Gotta have it. That's a large luggage.
That's a large.
Spotted a wild Drew Scott in his natural habitat. He's blonde. Oh my gosh, your hair!
So blonde.
Wow!
I love it.
Drew is moving, or in the process of moving.
Yeah, no one even knows, but you can put it in your vlog.
Okay. Wow. I want to see. Oh, this is the pillow you DIY'd.
Yeah,
Super cute.
Isn't it so good?
It looks so. How the
I
heck?
actually use my DIYs too. Like I keep a lot of them. Like there's one of them too.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, my room's kind of crusted and dusted right now because
Crusted and
I'm
dusted.
like, trying to pack everything. Like look how big those holes are.
So we're in Santa Monica and we are here for an Adidas event. We're so
My
excited.
hair is so. I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, she's so restless. She didn't know. It looks fine.
Okay, so we realized that it's actually outdoor.
Yep. I'm a little cold.
Chilly.
Yeah.
Try it. What is that? It's a vegan. Ooh, yay. Hello. Today's vlog was really messy. Actually, I feel like this whole month, like, the footage has been messy.
Life has been messy.
Life has been really messy too. But we're packing right now. It's really funny because you know how we got luggages from Calpac? Well, we didn't want to check in 2 luggages because that's like a waste of money and it's hard to carry it.
Yeah.
So we nested our luggages.
Brilliant.
Oh, brilliant, genius.
Brilliant idea. And then we have our carry-on that we're going to be carrying.
The mini
It's
one.
going to be a hassle, but...
No, it's better than 2 big luggages.
I know.
But yeah. So we had Thai food after the event. We went to Night Market and Song. Wait, Night Market Song? I don't know what it's called, but
Yes,
it's apparently the best Thai food in LA. It's really good, but we weren't like super hungry. But it's very hipster. We're staying in Silver Lake, and Silver Lake is very, very hipster. Hey guys, I'm blonde.
So weird. I started sharing. I was just like, what?
It's so cool. I've never been this blonde before.
Yeah, she feels like a new person.
I do feel like a new person, which is cool. If you guys want to see like the process of bleaching and dyeing my hair, I'll link it down below because we made a separate vlog just for that. And yeah, we're on our way to, well, we're here already. We're just stopped, parked. It's the brunch. I'm excited. The food there is really good. I've been there, kind of bougie. But I'm excited to have coffee. Hello guys.
Hello.
It is pretty darn early right now, 7:45-ish. But we're going to Victoria today. We're gonna take the seaplane and we're gonna go on a boat, but the forecast says it's gonna rain.
Yeah.
So
I don't know how that's gonna.
I don't know how that's gonna
And
work
it's
either.
windy in Victoria. Well, it usually is.
Really?
So yeah.
Are you excited, Emma? Oh, we're going on a boat. Okay.
Prison, really.
Yeah, we're going to prison. We're going to jail. we're here in Victoria, about to go whale watching.
I'm so excited.
Welcome aboard, you guys.
We got on the boat. We got another tote. Okay, we're doing a little haul.
Just stuff from back there.
Yeah.
We got a hat. Cute.
I think you can rock it. We got water.
Water as well. In swell bottle. Some sunscreen. Urban Defense.
That's gonna be good for when we go to Asia.
And this looks really good.
Ooh, yeah.
I like gel moisturizer. Hi vlog! Hey everybody. How are you? Back of the boat. Hi vlog. Hi vlog. This is Emma, by the way. Hi.
Do when they feel threatened, there are these big swarms, they all get to the middle.
He's got one.
Oh my gosh, he has a fish. Okay, so we're back in Vancouver. We had dinner with Biotherm, amazing brand, saving the planet, saving the oceans.
I actually learned so much.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like we only see the surface level of things with obviously the ocean because you don't see underneath, but like I learned so much today.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
cool. So that was really fun, and this wraps up our vlog of May, June, whatever happened. My hair turned from black to blonde. Very eventful, very messy, I think, vlog. I don't really know, but thank you for watching anyways, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!